Hi, I'm Ashley and this is Jennifer, and we're on vacation in the Bahamas. Today we're going to talk to you about ThermoFlex Plus Neons. So Jennifer, what makes this stuff so great and why do people love it so much?
Well, Ashley, ThermoFlex Plus Neons offer much of the same great benefits as ThermoFlex Plus, but in a vibrant and bright neon color. Like regular ThermoFlex, it is only 100 microns thick, has a strong grip, and offers a soft finish that is very flexible.
That's awesome. So where can I use this?
ThermoFlex Plus Neons will work on pretty much anything. This includes cotton poly blends, polyester blends, linen, wool, and lycra. Just make sure to avoid nylon.
What colors does it come in?
As of right now, it comes in 6 vibrant neon colors, including pink, red, orange, deep orange, yellow, and green. These are sure to add a bright flash of color to all your garment designs.
Special items like this usually have some restrictions, so what about layering?
These neon colors will not layer, but are still great to use on those mixed media designs.
Awesome. Well, there you have it, folks. That's ThermoFlex Plus Neons. To purchase this and more, visit heattransferwarehouse.com.